Peterson thinks we're linked to father's death. And Ekamo, he's closing in.
What's going to happen, Peterson? It's a mega nale. You go pa o tsamaye. Olo mega nale. You are ngaka ya how you na le fetwa.
Leo se para koro boje orna. Chedi draga ichwa iwanka kamborenga au dinyaka e. Muti.
Okay. I'm listening.
Dirase kabaka la ore. Ene le munyakela bophelo bo bokao.
Tate moloto le batho ba bereka yena ba se ba se dirang o tlo thushega ma please
What the hell is this? Kenny, Mom.
No, look, you guys, I have no choice. I'm scared I'll lose my job. What will tell? I've decided to resign. It's an honor you are looking at me. It's like one of my tatamachi. I want to keep a dignity.
And what would be your reasons?
My reason would be I would need to get to a to come home, Lauren, I get due diligence. And Kisona is longer to fight shall my mama.
What did you really mean?
No, to tell the truth, I did not know that this person was a convicted criminal. For violent crimes. I didn't know. Oh yeah, and there's one last step that I should have taken that I didn't take.
The one last step, Sifi?
Begi since you committed the fingerprints to get on my face over horror verify our key and I got it now. Yeah, well, keep my email. Mara, leave over or follow up my emailing here.
So, nyaka go ba fa resignation ya letter ya gago le hono. Ba bona re ka ba emisha go ka tswela pele ka hearing ya gago le hono.
Yeah, I can do it by the end of today. Though I need testimony from Mr. Q. Because with him, everything was done above board.
baby come this is way better than your usual.
Well, ma di pija ga fane ka di phiri tša gago.
Oh? That's
Enjoy.
thank you.
Okay, it seems like it's a good day today. So, cupcakes for breakfast. Beke khokela a day before get school. Maybe I can take 2-3 more just for school.
Ka letšatši la gago la matswalo fela pitse, okay?
No, but maybe you can just have one before we...
Okay.
Super soft.
And?
Mom, these are the best.
Yeah, very secret ingredients.
Hey, lena ba babedi le tlo latelwa go ya sekolong a kere. So, a re sepeleng?
Re tlo sepela.
Yeah, but you know.
A ke nyake a babysitter. E be le sa nyaka go ntlogela ke le one, we can take her.
Ma, nna kwa mmerekong tlabe ke le ko ops and gynae today, so mmereko bona so much. And after lunch, either way, ke admin fela.
Ke a leboga ge le tlhokometse bana ba ka.
Ma, le na le bonnete jwa goreng le tla ba gabotse.
Le se tshwenyege ka nna bana ba ka. I survived ko sento e senkolo.
No, gona go le jwale reng nna ke se ke ka betha ke nna tla le founela ke le check. Sure, baby.
Okay, madam.
Wa tseba ke a ipotsiša gore ga botsebotse go direga eng mo Charlie a le go gona sese.
Lora, seo a se go ame ka selo.
wena so shantse go tseba fela ko gore Kunutu o gabotse
o tseba batho ba go nyamella ka mokgwa o ke moka ba boa e le dingaka tša ditaola se ka re ke a go botša se
o motho a mohuta mannora ko ona makong ya ka go tsamaya wa fafatša mo strateng a kere Kunutu o magaeng o ile go tlhapišiwa ke phetho ke tuma
le kgonne go bolela le bona gane
e be le fela fa motsotsonyana ngwanaka malome a ge o tere mogala pele ke bolela dilo tše dintši e fela ba gabotse ngwanaka bano ba latela di melaonyana fela e itseng a kere
okay ke ke lebo ke gopela le mpotše if se mosadi ya gane thank you a se thobela
Shame. Any idea on how you're settling into rehab?
abasekhaya bazombona ngolesihlanu and then only then they'll know nami bengicabanga ukuthi ngibajoyine ukuyombona
Okay.
awufuna ukuhamba nathi
I don't think it's a good idea for me to join you guys on the first visit. Maybe the next one. No?
ucinile ukumbona ulona ngisho elego cafe
Really? Hey, I'm sure, yes. Sakhumbuli. Why?
hayi bengicabanga nje ukuthi mhlambe kumele ngixoxe naye ngalolu suku wasindisa ngayo impilo kaClement, you know?
No, I don't think you should, Pretty. I mean, it's just gonna be weird. Wombiza nge Jezebel singing. And now, you guys haven't spoken in a while. It'll just be weird for you to just call now. Think about it. Hey.
Baby, have you forgotten that this woman saved your life? And manje sekasindise nempilo kaClement. I don't know, but if you ask me, maybe this is a sign. There's something greater at play here. And I just need to get to know her better. So, Nina ngizomfonela on my way to work. And wena, I'm gonna see you later.
Okay.
Have you?
ke gopela gore nkgopelele tshwarelo go leeto like it's just that fence over a little bit not so okay sometimes
Man, o ska tshwenyega ke.
no but ke tshwenyegile ka yona babe gape ga ke nyaka gore a nagane gore ke lekile go mo set up or something
No, I doubt gore o feel bad. I mean, he was already saying gore now feel bad for jumping to conclusions, getting tensions jara.
ka go kwa but I also ga ke nyaka gore a nagane gore ke leka go mmerekisha just go khumana di views wa bona. That's not me.
Okay, yeah, no, go lokile. Ke tla bolela le yena.
Ka leboga. And o no tseba gore nna ga ke tlhoke go phula distance tsa go se tsebalege when I've got people like Nteba B coming to my podcast go raise the views jaaka, so I don't need those.
Nteba B.
How much yo okay, she is a renowned businesswoman, babe, and a reality TV star. Only thing gore o khumane fame ya gagwe from being like a lady of the night kwa Joburg. But nagana Tibos nagana fela gape she's coming all the way from Joburg go tla go ba mo podcasting yaka. Yo, this is going to change the whole trajectory ya podcast yaka. It's going to put me on international levels. Yeah.
Well, one thing for sure. Ke gantša ka wena.
Ka leboga babe. And ke leboga support ya gago ka.
Always.
Okay.
I have no choice but to resign. Yeah, I have to. Consider I'm trying to confess, but you don't forget about it. I am too felt to let go.
Alfred,
Yeah.
I'm feeling Nah, you're not together.
We won't. We can't. We're winning already. This is not even about Evelyn. It's bigger than her. I never. I'm saying, man.
No, you guys not give up like that.
You know.
You guys give up. Alfred,
process ya vetting ka shong. That's it.
I want to need you to say.
I have to do that. At least, but I'll drop a case if I do that. And then maybe after this dust settles, like I can talk to God, you know, about this. Department of Health.
That's why there's just something about doing something, sailing or wrong, that just leaves such a bitter taste.
I didn't create the system. I'm just part of it.
hle monna ke hloka ho bona hao
o tla mpona qeta ho lokisa bohlaswa bona kaofela bona e lokela ho tsamaya
ma
Mama Swat, yo, this is a surprise. Le wile gape le tlo shumela mo ke le hon.
Oh, well, if you must know, the office is a bit tense, and so I'll better get.
Sure, I can imagine. Le nna ke rata ho bereka ko meeting room. E fela yo meeting room ya rana e hectic. Asika hearing.
I was called in today to come and testify.
How?
Yeah.
O reng ba sa no fetsa taba e ka go no moraka?
Carol.
Ka mo ka re a tseba gore Alfred o molato.
Mem koma. Ona le bonnete ya se se bolela.
Sudi, mana no ra tseba gore mothako o la ke moradio.
Oh, ke a kwishisha ya. Ga botse o sana le segopi ka tabela go se fiwe poso ya go ba motlatsa hloga sekolo. Ga go bjang?
Seletiso, o ile wa ipusha gore go baneng yona poseo ke sa e hwetša. Mothakela o nyakile shunya tša ka potleng.
Awa. Colleagues, no. If kannete principal na le motho ka di bribe. I mean, he should have asked for a bribe from me, right? But he didn't. I'm sorry, but nah. I don't think the principal is like that. So forgive me, but I can't see him as a guilty person. Sorry.
Q, what's about akera tu dumellana le Carol. E fela mo na le mushi, go na le mollo.
Dankie.
ke tlo bona Clement
Hey, Satani, where man? Ralukela kule lisitlugu saka. Awukho enough. Ukuthi umthathile wamfaka shiqi kuma drugs.
nna aowa mana sena ke mo fakeng shiqi o madrugs
Una le maka mane.
nna ntse o tlogile gauteng a goga diritibatši a ke le botse maaka Clement e be le ena a mphonelang gore ke mmeakantseng sengwenyana sa go goga goba tsone diritibatši nna le ena a invite gore ke tsamaye le ena ready parting ka mme a ntswetse ke a ikana a se nna ke rutileng Clement di-drugs
Anyway, why ungayihlalelanga itshwaleni? Kunokuthi uyongena futhi nakuma drugs. UClement use rehab.
Rehab
Yes.
yona mawe gane Clement ba go shetse go senyegile ka mogo
What do you think? Nawe nje ungahamba uyongena khona le rehab.
aowa magape nna ga ke legoba ke feditse weekend ka moka ke tlhapogetswe ka ge ke kole gore Clement o sepetlele le ka morago ga gore moithuti o motee wa first year wa Tef varsity a tlhokofale ka morago ga overdose seo se mputse matlho jale o tlo boyaneng
Nka se go botse. Ngisaphinda futhi ngithi ralukela gole le Clement. And ithi ukutshela ke ungaphindi uzela. Uyangizwa Kenny? Ungaphindi ulibhathi inyawo lakho la kwami. Khuzeka mfana, khuzeka.
I was never asked to pay a bribe to get this job.
Now what's one of the Mr. Mawangwa pele ga go abiswa mo interview.
Che.
Na re ka dia dinya bishisho. Re ka sweshe motlhala gore wena o bo bolela le yena. Goba o mongwe wa motswalle pele ga
Ma'am, to be quite honest, my interview process was above board. Mr. Mahonga here has been nothing but professional ever since I got here.
All checks and vetting processes were completed with Mr. Kumane, which means whatever happened with Mr. Hadebe was an error on Mr. Mahonga's part. He got played by the froster we now know as Mr. Shorway.
Why are you doing this?
What on earth is your issue? Why do you not want us to meet? What do you think is going to happen if we sit down and just have drinks?
Nothing is going to happen. You're not going to meet with her. Why must you always make things difficult?
I'm making things difficult. Oh, no, no, no. I've been doing everything that you've asked me to do. I've left you alone. I've let you go. I'm just doing me.
As rocking up at my place, basically naked, just before my wedding, your idea of leaving me alone?
No. But that was part of my process of letting you go.
Yeah, so just stand up a minute. Bye.
Please.
This is proposal. Welcome to Level Cafe, Mrs. Maposa.
Oh, hey, babe. Whenever you're interested, but
My case is being postponed. And then go to take it. I hope my husband isn't trying to get cash our cocktail hour.
No, no, not at all. In fact, he just joined, and I never mentioned anything about us meeting. He was telling me that you had plans to call me because you had some questions about Clement.
Oh, yes.
Also, I hope you don't have any intentions about officially discussing Clement as his doctor over cocktails.
Oh, no, no, no.
Okay,
As we agreed, this is off the record. Nothing official.
great.
Ngwana, o sepele ga behang ka moo. Ke nagana gore ke nako ya gore tšhele. Re mora ka mogare ga stew, nagana ba?
Hi. Wait, let's help him more against you.
Hexten home. Ono kom botjara ka sang ka bana pa mama tsela dia.
Man. This thing carry coffee, carry pancake, carry cake, against you.
Oh, morwa.
Papa, against you.
Manaka, Krimora e tsena gabotse ka gare ga stew. Bo kopa go ba e šomiša ka nako tsotlhe.
And what's what can I do to make a scene like work I'm pregnant? And did you like the recipe jack cream? So ka go bonti. I got you.
Papa, what's the matter next time? Kante, bana mpotšeng Krimora ke ene.
E ka ba le mengwaga ya go feta 70.
77 to be exact.
77.
Even though it's written just on the box. Lava?
Ah, there.
Yeah.
77.
Wow.
The testimony of the previous witness. A bo go ntšheta beng. Le gona bile ga re atla mo gobane Mr. Tumane a sentše leina la sekolo.
True, and I admit that I didn't do due diligence as far as Mr. Shongwe, Mr. Kadebe is concerned. And I'm sorry about that, and I'm sorry that I wasted everyone else's time. But, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and here's my resignation letter. It's a reputation, and I know I made a mistake by not doing final checks on Mr. Shaw. I'm sorry.
And those final checks were not the sole responsibility of Mr. Mahonga alone. This disciplinary management unit should also look at how they can investigate whoever was also involved in bribes.
Mr. Bopapi, o ka se ka ba botša lekgotla gore le dire dinyakišo tša lona bjang? No.
Goreng le sa amogele resignation letter, Mr. Mahonga?
Na o tišiše gore o nyaka go leba go mošomo pele ga ge dipeelo tša disciplinary di tšwa. Gape o ka fenya gomme ditatofatšo tša tšholwa. Goba o nyaka go nagana ka yona gabotse?
No, ke a tseba hore nka no wina ka leswi. So, no. Ke fedisele pelo ya ka.
You know what? I'm gonna be the laughing stock in this department. Ever since my doomed relationship with Kwesi, I haven't managed to solve a single case. You know what? I'm gonna be that investigator that everyone feels sorry for. TV, what are you doing? I mean, it's the end of our shift. Why bring me coffee?
Because we are not going home anytime soon. Some CCTV footage has been shared with me by more security in Newtown. No, they've been very cooperative ever since the Gumede case. Well, what are you waiting for? Put the flash into your computer. You like what you see.
Okay. Let's see. What?
Check the timestamp there. The picture was taken some days before the victim was found dead. You know, if foul play is proven here, we might be staring at the warden's final moment. And his killer.
You know what? Maybe that would explain why Clement was so terrified of Molo at level. Great work, TP. This might just be the breakthrough that I needed.